Greg here again with another video to help you transform your business, help you transform your life. I got a very exciting product I'm releasing. It's just come out. It's an early access edition. And rather than talk about it, I'm just going to show you and walk you through how I use it. And then we can come back and break it down. So I have this site here. This is my site, but it could be any site. It could be any web page on the internet. And I want to use AI to improve it and make it better. So I come up here to my new tool. It's a Chrome extension, and it says, Odoo AI Accelerator. I'm going to tick the detailed project outline here. I'm going to say, create a plan to improve this website. And I'm going to click Improve HTML, and you'll notice there's a link here. So I know that I'm getting the right HTML from the right page. I click Run Template. Now, behind the scenes, this tool is using ChatGPT. You can use any AI model, but this one is using the ChatGPT API to create a project and a description that's going to incorporate the scraped web page data from this page. And you'll see there's a link here that says View Odoo. We go to it, and you don't see anything yet. And that's because in the background, it's running the tasks and the jobs in order to create this content, and it takes some time. So I use a job queue, and it's built on the robust OCA job queue so that when the AI API is getting done, we have plenty of opportunities to track, troubleshoot, and retry the job queue. And you'll see throughout this presentation that it's integral to building this robust AI framework. So now when I refresh, look what we get. We get an outline. We have an overview here, the program structure, where it's actually taken that HTML data. And you'll also notice that there's pictures in here as well. And these pictures, they're not all going to be perfect because it's just using placeholders for them, but you can see how we can chain these templates together. Now that we got an overview here, you'll notice we don't have any tasks yet. Well, it'd be kind of nice to have some tasks that would go with this outline. So all I need to do to create the tasks is come up, run the AI template, create the project tasks, and hit run. And now what it's doing in the background is really rather remarkable. It's creating Odoo XML data, valid XML Odoo data, that's going to actually create project tasks with the information that's provided here in this outline that had previously generated. So I'll hit the refresh button one more time and see if we got it yet. You'll see we don't have tasks yet. We can just jump in here to the log so you can see what's going on, and we can see if maybe we got an error or something that it had to deal with. It doesn't look like it. It's just taking a little bit of time. You'll see I have a lot of logging. I use different colors for different parts of it because AI development, you need a lot of feedback because it's volatile by nature and you can't always expect the same results. So the job queue is running. I'm going to hit refresh again. And now you'll notice we have 12 tasks. That's actual data that got created by the AI. We don't have to have extra programming or write special Python specifically because I've already created that engine that is able to recreate and create Odoo data. I click the tasks and you can see all these tasks: the introduction, the program structures, the course overview, key modules, the boot camp, developer tools, best practices. And I could modify this stuff if I want. If I go in and just look at one of them here, you'll notice there's a little one-sentence description for all of these. So I'm going to just show you. Lots of data here, but it's just one sentence. So, that's nice, and that's already really powerful. I was really happy with that when I first did this. Let's go ahead and put it in the list view, select all of these. I'm going to come up under Actions and run this template. And we're going to say Task Description Template Detailed and hit Run. And it just launched 12 AI jobs in which it's going to communicate with the OpenAI platform. And I can come in here to the job queue, and you'll notice that we have these different jobs, and these are pending if they're waiting. These have already started because I'm running with like 12 workers. So I have a lot of workers running on my system. But as you can see, we can click on one of these jobs and see the detail of the payload that goes to the job. We can see anything else that's hooked up to the job. I'm going to go to a previous one here that we already had that got completed, like one of the done ones. And you'll see here from the beginning that our project actually uses like placeholders for the pictures until it can fill them in. And we have a link back to our project as well. So let's go back to the queue and just see how we're doing. You can see there's only one job left. So this job queue is really powerful. It's a foundational thing, and we can actually see the time that was required here for the jobs. I'll just click on one of them. And here you can see that in the job, we actually take and keep that data here. So you can always look at the job, see the data that came into the job, and you can see the prompt here. So this is the actual prompt that got sent to the OpenAI. And if I go back here, I can click the record URL. And here is the program structure for that particular task. And if we go back to the project and click on tasks here, let's just pick one of them. You'll notice that every single one of these tasks now has a comprehensive outline. So we have our Odoo Developer Bootcamp, we have our development tools, best practices, everything. So now let's say this AI integration one it's good and we like it, and we want to even expand on it more. What we can do is we can come right back up here, run the AI template again, wizard, and you'll see we have a create subtasks. I click create subtasks and hit run. And now it's going to look at this task, AI integration, the steps, project initiation, resource allocation, milestone definitions, implementation steps, everything we need. And it's actually going to now create a whole set of subtasks for that. And if I refresh, we'll see if it got them yet. And they're not there yet. Let's look at our trail here. See if we got any errors that we can showcase. Okay, it doesn't look like it. It looks like it's that everything came back okay from this. And I can see this line right here, successfully processed XML data. And if we come back now and look at our, and refresh, we got our subtasks, project initiation, resource allocation, milestone definitions, implementation steps. So let's look at implementation steps here. And you'll notice it's just a short description of the tasks. So if I look at the subtasks for it, let's go back at the definition, go subtasks. I can come up here to the subtasks, and we can look again just to verify there's only one sentence in here for each of them. So that means I can come up here to the subtasks, select them all, go to actions, run the template wizard again, and say task description detail, and run again. And now it's going to go through all those subtasks and break out all the description and a complete outline for doing the subtasks. And you can literally just keep going deeper and deeper and deeper. There's really no limits to this. So if you're interested in this, if you like what you see here, click on the links down below. I'm going to have some special sales running when this launches, especially during the Odoo experience that's coming up over these next few days. But if you check down in the links below, you'll always get to see any specials I'm running, and I'll, of course, include them on my pages as well. So thank you for watching. I'm going to break this down in other videos and show how all this works, and we'll get a lot more detail. But if you want to see those videos, please click like, please click subscribe. It's really important to me because only like 10% of the people click the subscribe button, and it's extremely discouraging for developers and for people to have a lot of options where we could be putting our time to create videos where there's just a lack of appreciation for the time and effort it takes. I have a product to sell now. I really, really think this is by far the most powerful AI solution that you will find anywhere. And it's certainly the most powerful solution available for Odoo today that I'm aware of. So many thanks for watching. And I really hope you come back and watch as I show more and more videos. There's lots and lots of features that just we need to unpack and unwind here. But I wanted to get this out, let people see it, and give people an opportunity over the next few days to get a good price for the early access. I'm giving a really, really special price for the first 100 people that purchase this product from me and this offer. So thank you for watching, and I can't wait to create more videos showing you more features inside this platform.